Here is a charging adapter. Here is another one that is a little more compact. And finally, here is the new Xiaomi 33-watt Nano power adapter. Hi, in this video I will unbox and show you the Xiaomi Nano Power 33-watt USB-C adapter. The product comes in a small box without a cable or other accessories. There are also some features and warnings about the product in the packaging. First, I remove the protective film from the adapter. Now I will use a fabric Apple USB-C cable as an example, but of course it also works with other USB-C cables that support the PD standard. The first test subject is a laptop. After connecting the extension cord, the charging indicator LED on the laptop lights up. Of course, it can charge a phone with 33 watts without any problems. Overall, it is impressive how much performance this product can provide in such a large size. I have not experienced any negatives, and there is no coil noise during use.